Hello students, welcome to Pythonically. In this video, I'm going to teach you arithmetic operators in Python. Actually, there's nothing to teach about arithmetic operators in Python as such. They are very similar to mathematical operators that you use in everyday life. But these arithmetic operators in Python are used to perform mathematical operations, the common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finding remainder and finding exponents. So we will just briefly see a few examples of different arithmetic operators in Python. So suppose we have two numbers, which num1 is equal to 50 and num2 is equal to, let's say, 5. So addition operators are basically used to add two numbers. They are very similar, very simple to use. So for instance, we create a variable result is equal to num1 plus num2, and then we can simply print the result, which is, so num1 is 50, num2 is 5, so the result should be 55. Num1 is not defined. Why? Maybe we did not execute this piece of code. So press shift and enter in this cell here, and then execute num1 plus num2. Yes, you can see the result 55 here. The next operator that we are going to study is the subtraction operator. Subtraction operator is basically used to subtract two numbers. So result is equal to num1 minus the sign used for subtraction operator is minus num2, and then again if you print the result, that's should be 50 minus 5 is equal to 45, I think. Yes. So multiplication operator is used to multiply two numbers, and in Python the multiplication operator is denoted by steric. So if you want to multiply two numbers, you do something like this. Result is equal to num1 steric num2, and 50 into 5, it should be, I think, 50 into 5, 250. We can see the result. Yes, 250. Division operator is simply used to divide two numbers, and in Python the forward slash operator is basically used to divide two numbers. So let's see, result is equal to num1, and this is the division operator, by num2, and print result. So num1 is 50, num2 is 5, so the result should be 10. Yes. The modulus operator is used to find the remainder. So and it is denoted by a percentage symbol. Result num1. This is the symbol to find remainder in Python, by num2. And if you divide 50 by 5, there is no remainder, because 50 is totally divided by 5, and hence there is no remainder, and you should see 0 in the output. Result. Yes. And just for the sake of example, let's try to divide 50 by 7, and it should be, I think, 1. Yes, 7 into 7, 49. Result is equal to 50 by 7, print result. In this case, you see the remainder 1. So this is how you use remainder operator in Python. Finally, we have an exponent operator. Exponent operator is basically used to take power of one number with respect to the other, and in Python the double steric symbol is used to take the exponent. So suppose you have number 1 is equal to 4, and you want number 2 is equal to 3, and then you have result is equal to number 1 steric number 2. That means you want to take the exponent of 4 to the power 3, num2, and print result. It should be 64, because 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Yes, it's 64. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python. If you like the video, you can click the like button. If you have any comment, you can pass it in the comment section. And finally, please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making more such videos for you. Thank you.